Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Antoine Smalls, Financial Blueprint. Hey, yet last night we had an amazing live where we went over Operation Epic Fury and the issues that we got going on, the bombs and the war that we got going on right now over in that Middle East CENTCOM region between Israel, United States, and Iran. Right, we talked about how Iran is bombing multiple countries. And the impact that's having over in the region when it comes to airlines, oil prices, and just all shipments across the world, right? But we're gonna get past that. We're gonna update that another week. We're gonna have another update in a week. But now we're gonna get to the money. Now we are going to get to the money. So I got 3 stocks. I repeat, I got 3 stocks that you can double your money in less than 12 months. 3 stocks that if anything, you're going to be up 40 to 50%, possibly even 100% if you buy these 3 stocks. Let's get into it. All right, so first up, we got Palo Alto, symbol PANW, PANW as I call it, right? This is one of the top 2 best cybersecurity stocks in the world, alongside CrowdStrike. And I'm just looking at the chart, right? And before we get to the charts, let's do some fundamental analysis, right? So Palo Alto profit margin is 76, gross profit margin is 76%. Operating margin is at 30%. All right. The earnings projections for 2026 is expected to be up 22%. They're expected to be up 22% year over year. That is up to $11 billion of revenue. And they're also looking to earnings growth of over 15% annual over the next 3 years. All right. And last but not least, their 12-month estimated price is as high as $210 to $215, expecting a 40%, and I repeat, a 40% upside from the current price of 156, right? So if we go into the charts and we look at this chart, we have these 3 lines. The yellow line is the 72-day moving average, the 200-day moving average. I'm sorry, 75-day moving average, the 200-day moving average, and the 400-day moving average. And if you look at this is a 5-year out chart. If you pay attention, right, Palo Alto came down to hit this red line only one time in the last 5 years. I repeat, only one time in the last 5 years. So back in December of 2022 is the last time they hit this 200-day moving average on a 5-year chart. If you look out 5 years, they have hit that about a week ago. They hit that 148 level, and they have bounced up off of it so far this week. And they're continuing to go up pre-market when it comes to the stock price. So if you're looking to buy a great company at a significant discount, this is a great trade when it comes to options. If you're going out January 27, as well as stocks, if you want to enter the stock new position, or you want to average down when it comes to Palo Alto. So this is the one of the 3 that right now can at least give you 40 to 50% upside, and likely over the next 1 to 2 years can definitely give you 100% on your money, double your money if you put that money into a great company like Palo Alto. All right, so let's go to number 2, Microsoft. Ooh, look at that chart. So Microsoft, let's go to fundamentals. Net profit margin, 39%. Operating margin, 46%. Earnings growth expected up 24% year over year for FY26. And their earnings revenue growth for fiscal year 26 is going to be up 15 to 17% increase. All right. Estimated price for Microsoft is up from it's up to $595 to $600 a share. Estimated 12-month price projection. So Microsoft is currently sitting at the 403 mark. Right. And if you look at their 5-year out, if I go 5 years out, right, starting off with the distance to see what the chart is telling me. Last time it double bottom down here, October of 22, January of 23, and almost hit it April of last year when the tariff news came out. And then this is now another amazing buying opportunity. That 384 200-day moving average level when it comes to the 5-year out chart. This is an amazing opportunity. If you got into Microsoft around 384 when it came down, possibly 370 something, it was an amazing opportunity. Even now at 400, it's a great opportunity to ride this wave back up, right? So second amazing stock, and when we talk about one of the best companies in the world. So this is a no-brainer. If you are looking to from a safe risk management safety perspective, this is probably the number one stock to buy right now. Great company. We know it's going to recover. If you want to trade this from the 400 to 550 level, I think it's an amazing trade over the next 12 to 18 months. And this could easily be a $600 stock in less than 2 years. All right. Now, number 3, I'm going to go to an ETF. IGV. ETF. IGV. Now, why did I choose this ETF? It is the software ETF. And we know that software has been getting crushed due to the report of AI being able to take over software's business models and make them obsolete, right? So there's been reports over the last couple about a month, couple weeks, and software has been getting crushed. So a lot of the software stocks, Microsoft is included, as well as Palo Alto was also included, right? So some of the reasons why you see stocks that are 30-40% off their 52-week highs, and they're in that software space. This is the reason why the software stocks have getting crushed. So if I'm going to look to software to recover, specific software names like Microsoft, like Palo Alto, and I'll have 2 extras for you in a second. I looked at the ETF that has the same software companies that I'm looking to recover in the first place. So IGV has software names that are the top 5 allocated holdings for the IGV is number 1, Microsoft, number 2, Palantir, number 3, Salesforce, number 4, Oracle, and number 5, Palo Alto. Out of those 5, 3 names I love. I love Microsoft, I love Palantir, and I love Palo Alto. Right, they got some other names like CrowdStrike in there, as well as ServiceNow, Adobe, Intuit, some of those companies. I don't really love those companies, but I love 3 of the top 5. So again, this is all about strategy. If I'm going to have conviction in Microsoft, Palo Alto, as well as Palantir recovering, then the ETF that's significantly weighted in those names would also then recover. So let's go to the chart. We see that the IGV has come down to the 400-day once, or this is about twice over the last 5 years. It has come below the 200-day a few times, right? And it's always bounced from there. Now we hit this 200-day on a 5-year chart, April of last year, which we know was resurrection was Trump's tariffs last April, and now we have this current shock when it comes to AI and the possibility of it, making the businesses obsolete. and this is another amazing buying opportunity. I would trade this ETF back up. I actually made a trade yesterday for this ETF once the market bottomed. It looked like yesterday. I took advantage of that opportunity, and I'm running this back to the at least that $100 level for over the next 6 months to 12 months. Easily $100 level next 6 to 12 months, right? So this is another great opportunity right now to trade if you want to make a swing trade, a leap trade out to 2027. This is an amazing opportunity as the stock market will recover at some point over the next 6 to 9 months. So let me get y'all two bonus stocks. And first, let's recover. One was Palo Alto, two Microsoft, and three was the IGV ETF, software ETF. All right, so let's go to another amazing company. Just give y'all some extra game. CRWD, which is CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike, another amazing company. Cybersecurity, arguably the number one cybersecurity company in the world, right? Looking at their 5-year chart, we're seeing the same trends that we've seen on other charts. It has not come all the way down and reached that 200-day moving average, but it has come below that 72-day, and this bottomed around this 345 level. So far, we could see some more volatility in the stock market over the next few weeks due to the war over in Iran, but we're not necessarily looking to be perfect. We are looking to get companies at that 20, 30, 40% discount, and we're looking to ride the wave back up over a 12 to 15 month span. So if you're looking to take another trade, if you're looking to even start an entry into a great company, this isn't a great price to get. CrowdStrike right now is great time to get CrowdStrike. I think the projections for CrowdStrike is up in that 550, 600, 650 range. So getting it down at 391 as of yesterday's close is an amazing opportunity. All right. Last but not least, let's go to the best company in the world. All right. This chart is not nearly as good as the other ones. All right. But if I go to a 1 year, right? I move from the 5-year and I move to a 1 year, right? One of the best companies in the world. We all know what NVIDIA is. We all know what NVIDIA supplies is. We all know what the CapEx spend for all of these major companies have been. They've reported extremely high CapEx spend. Amazon, Google, Meta, we can keep going down the list. Amazing spend in the space, and they all have to touch NVIDIA at some point in time for the most part. Google's a little different because Google, they make their own TPUs, but most companies have to touch NVIDIA and grab their GPUs, right? So we're seeing NVIDIA kind of trade in a range over the last, since August of last year, right? And right now we're currently at that 180 price but at the market close yesterday. I'm really looking to get an NVIDIA in the 170s. If I make this a little closer, you're seeing that trading in that range. But if I want to limit the risk and a possible drawdown with this market and everything that has turmoil at the moment, trying to get it around that 200-day moving average, which is 172, would be an amazing opportunity. But there is no downside of buying NVIDIA even at the current price of 180. There's no downside. Right? This stock is projected to easily be over 250 by the end of the year, and buying it at 180 is a good deal. So if you want to buy a great company at a small discount, it's not a significant discount, at a small discount, NVIDIA is an opportunity. All right. So the top three was Microsoft, Palo Alto, ETF IGV, the two extras, CrowdStrike, and NVIDIA. All right. So I wanted to give y'all some game this morning as we start off our day before the market opens in a few hours. Take a look at some of those stocks that we talked about. Always look to buy companies at discounts. If you can get a company at a 20, 30, 40% discount, it's a win, especially if it's an amazing company, right? So I charted this up. I wanted to give y'all some extra game this morning. I love you guys. I appreciate y'all. We will be doing a live video on the all things stock market either today or tomorrow, but I want to at least give y'all some game this morning, help y'all out when it comes to possibly, going into a trade, buying long-term shares of amazing companies at discounts that you might not see for a little while, right? So I love you guys. I appreciate y'all. I'm out, Antoine Smalls. Man, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this content with someone who needs to hear it, man. Love you guys. Peace.